Hello, my name is Kay. My name is Miss Kay. I'm here to talk about THOAS Arch. THOAS Arch is the heart of Africa's spirit. Hello, as you can see, I'm walking in a beautiful neighborhood here in Western Kenya. It's called Nyabahanse, and it's a beautiful, beautiful village. Let me fix this. Hello, my name is Lady K, and I'm taking a walk in this beautiful village here. It's in Western Kenya. As you can see, it's a very beautiful village with wonderful people, and we are here to talk about the heart of Africa's spirit. THOAS Arch. Hello, my name is Lady K, and I'm here in a beautiful African village called Nyabahanse, and it's in Western Kenya. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. As you can see, the weather is nice. It's very, very green with lots of rain. Currently it's raining. You can see the dirt road. It's healthy, it's raining, that's what we need. And what we are here to discuss or to dive into is THOAS Arch. What is THOAS Arch? Hello. Yes, I was talking about THOAS Arch. THOAS Arch is a marketplace for African art, African resources, African culture, and African heritage. THOAS Arch, the heart of Africa's spirit. So this is Nyabahanse village. I'm riding a motorbike to go to the villa. It's been raining, as you can see. Yeah, so this is the African village. Tuko sawa? Where we are networking. As you can see, it's all about village life. On the left is sorghum, I think, or wimbi, it's called finger millet. And the cows, look at these cows, oh my goodness, and their strings. We are all sharing the road. Here in Kenya, as a passenger, they don't require us to wear helmets, and they never have for passengers. That's why I'm not recording them. What did she say? Anasema nini?
I don't hear.
Oh. These are all beautiful farms, a lot of corn, which we call maize here in Kenya. We don't call it corn. So I was talking about our African paradigm, the heart of Africa spirit. This is what it is. Working together with the locals, encouraging each other, the heart of Africa spirit. Our African art, habari, our African resources, our African culture, and our African heritage. It's all about knowing and appreciating where we came from. You know, the African heart. If you look on Google what the heart is, they say it's a temporary structure. But for us Africans, the heart was not temporary. It was a structure where the homestead lived, and we lived together with everything in the heart, the family and the animals, the cooking, all. And all the homestead, the food storage and everything was all done in the African hut. And as you can see here, they're not round structures, but they're all made in the same concept. With we use the cow dung mixed with some earth and ashes to give that look that makes it look like it's cement, but it's really, the modern ones have cement because it's more long lasting. New technology. So beautiful here, the fresh air. And acknowledging and appreciating Mother Earth for what she is to us, provide us with food and everything that comes from the land. From the earth. And as we all know, Africa is the cradle of humankind. This is where every human being originated from. This is the womb of Africa. The womb of our Creator during the creation. Hi, Mayugno.
How are you, Mom?
How are you? Very good. That's Mayugno.
Like German.
Kabisa, like German. That's one of us. His name is Mayugno. We went to his house the other day, and his wife had cooked. Yes. Oh yes, 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 yes. I keep forgetting. Yes, okay. We are approaching the villa at Nyamahanze, taking a ride from Boda Boda. That's what we call the motorbikes here. Don't worry, I don't have a helmet. It's not, they don't have them for passengers here. and it's not a requirement. So, as you can see, this is a beautiful villa. Hello! This is a beautiful villa here for I Am Marwa, where we are all networking and learning from each other and doing the master class. Thank you so much. Hello, this is the villa. This is the beautiful villa whereby I Am Marwa is a YouTuber. He's a big YouTuber. He has a very, very kind heart. He's helping a lot of the locals here to be able to use their skills. You can see this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home has been built, and of course he has provided a lot of employment for the locals, which is really good. And we are having like a month here where we are going to social network and meet other people with we have the same interests, and we are sharing our views and our skills, everybody helping each other. Look at that structure there. That's a typical African structure home, and right across from it you can see is the villa, which is right there. Look at that beautiful villa right in the middle of the village. So I am enjoying the scenery, the beautiful birds. It's very muddy, to be careful not to fall. We have be careful. I don't want to fall. Huh? So we have people. This is where we have the entertainment. Look at this. Look at these guinea fowls. Just being birds running around. Yeah, so talking about being in the village and learning how to be grounded with our basic minimums, and being able to live together. As you can see ahead there's some tents. Some people are living in the tents. Today is a very, very rainy day. That's why there's nobody outside. There's hardly anybody. This place is usually packed, but today we are basically indoors because of the rain and the mud. But usually it's a beehive of activity here. People learning from each other, people creating content and sharing talents. Just being careful not to fall. I'm going back in and I will tell you more about the heart of Africa. The heart of Africa, as we all know, The African hut is a dwelling place. It's not a temporary, it's a dwelling place. That's the way our forefathers lived. Hey! So here we are with one drop.
Yeah, we just started the party.
Yeah. He is the one who is in charge of the music system I was telling you about.
Yeah.
He's really good. Give him a shout
Yeah,
out.
what's up, my people? Wonderful element from Nairobi, Kenya, live in Jambo Anse, and we are starting up our set now. So, see you guys later.
Yes, I'll tell you more about one drop.
Yeah, we'll have an interview later.
Okay, so yeah. Hi, how are you?
Hey, how's the vlog?
Yes,
Hey.
I'm trying.
You're trying.
Yes, this is
Just arrived?
We just arrived. Yes.
Oh, we are
Yes.
always around here.
You're always around here.
Yeah, my name
Let
is
me.
Robbie.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Awesome. And you?
What
And
about
I'm Lady K. I'm Lady K.
Lady K.
Lady K. Like the letter K, yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lady K YouTube channel. Subscribe.
Yes.
Video, enjoy, and even don't forget to comment.
Yes. Thank you, sweetheart.
Yeah, and follow my channel. God, my name is _Pasi, guys. So subscribe to my channel, watch my video, like and enjoy, and comment, guys.
Awesome.
At least 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, you will. Me too.
And you?
I have very little, like a dozen. I just started.
Okay.
So the next time we meet, you'll see how many I have. That's the gate. It's been constructed. It's a beautiful gate. I think those are rooms for the gate guards. And I think up there people will be able to sit and maybe just watch the village from a height up there. So I'm going back in now, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the Heart of Africa spirit, art, resources, and heritage, where art, resources, culture, African culture meets. How are you guys? Okay. So I'm getting inside the villa now. We're going inside the villa. As you can see, there's a lot of construction going on. I'm going to give you a tour when it gets a little bit, weather is a bit better. So this is where everybody is in the villa.
Strongman 2x4.
Nahan, please give a shout out if I know how to hold
Let me
this.
hold
learning.
it for you. Yeah,
Okay.
yes. How are you?
I'm good.
How are you coping so far?
I'm coping very well.
Do you enjoy the party?
Very much.
Okay.
I don't want to ever think I'll live here. I
Okay.
might decide to just live here forever.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So guys, welcome back to our mom's channel here.
Yes.
I go by the name I am Ken Gor, and we have our
Strongman 2x4.
the main
The
plumber.
plumber himself.
Yeah, the
Yes.
plumber.
Yes.
himself.
There are so many plumbers here.
No, we have
There
so
is
many plumbers.
Yes. Yes.
There-
The plumber
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, and there is a plumber for solar.
And the plumber for solar.
And there is a plumber for food.
And there is a plumber for food.
Yes.
Exactly.
That is the village cook.
Yeah.
There is a plumber for food.
For food.
Yes.
The heart of Africa spirit.
Yeah, exactly.
THOAS Arch.
Oh yeah.
We are all here to network, learn from each other. Everybody has a special skill,
Yeah.
and we are all sharing our skills.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks to Amara for providing this place for us.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Thank you.
That is Claude Joseph.
I'm just this guy born and raised in the village. I'm a humble African. I'm Africa, here we come. We are here and we are in Mara's villa in the village in Nyabuhanse, Kenya. Subscribe to Mama and also don't forget to like and leave a sweet comment over there.
Awesome.
My name is Claude Joseph. Yes.
Thank you. So guys, that was Claude Joseph. Hopefully, I don't know what's gonna happen with the music now, but we will see. Probably I'll just I'm approaching this table here. I hear there's some Jamaican brew there. We have people from all over the world coming. It's awesome. That's the villa. Nice, nice, nice.
Yes. So, but this is a present.
Yes, he's alone. Yeah, you know, we are neighbor with the river. Sometimes we walk in the river. Yeah. Local concept. Body lotion.
So this one's going to be good. Where's my friend?
Pierre, where are you? Irene, Jem. Oh, Irene, Jem will fix the Wi-Fi. Oh, sorry.
So Irene, this one's for when you help VIP visitors in rooms.
Yeah.
Maro people love you so much, my boss. Give me from USA. Jilindima here people can scrub face for free. Zile mafuta jamani, girls in the village when you have a mawingu and too much to lose. This is for you. Yes. Yes.
I understand already.
It says if you have scraps in there.
Yes. You can fix. Imagine. Hey guys, please guys support. This is our brothers local concept. The one guys before when you see my boss Amaro in USA, he fixed.
Yeah, he fixed my hair.
Yeah, he fixed it.
Actually, he flew to come and fix my hair.
Yeah, but he told me open YouTube channel because of Marwa. Yeah, so today he said this is aspiration to support Marwa and they give him thanks Marwa a lot for a lot surprise he do for him because guys, when Marwa visits you, maybe for free, but he gives you a hopeless.
I will do this special video
tomorrow.
I'll start with the video.
Yeah. But hiyo sasa turudishie kabisa hiyo kesho ni video. Lakini watu wamechukua mawazo. But no problem.
Ni watu wa kazi. Ni watu wa kazi.
You have to understand my video. That's his vibe.
Sorry for always the people I stop to continue with the present, but love is not digital. Me, I love my boss so much.
Okay. Hey, my name, thank you.
Yes.
And so, Locks Concept, I'll do a very special video.
Yeah.
So thank you. I hope you are watching this.
Yes.
But if you watch, I want to say thank you so much.
Thank you so much. This is a channel I recording to sending. Going to upload at least
in his video. Hey guys, this is Marwa. If you're watching this, Locks Concept YouTube channel, please subscribe to him. He's brought us a lot of stuff, body lotions, mosquito repellent, hats, capes. I don't even know what to say.
He have a YouTube channel also, guys.
This is his YouTube channel.
Locos Concept.
No, Locks.
Locks.
Yeah.
Locks Concept.
Locks is this.
Oh, is this? Oh, Locks is this. Guys, and me my dream to one day I can have a hair like Marwa. Yes, when I start to travel in Jamaica, people forgive me because I come with the dread. Yes.
Okay. Alright. This is Mayugno.
Yes.
Give yourself a special shout.
Guys, my name is Mayugno. I'm a firstborn from Marwa here, Vilamatejin. Not somebody you can compare with me because me, I make something amazing in the village here through Marwa because no Marwa, no life. So everything is happening, I'm here in the Vilamatejin. I come to give my boss one present. I pick up from USA direct. Imagine. So don't fear, we are here special to support because you know I am Marwa, I have a lot of kids. So I'm one of them. So,
You know, I really like this guy. Somebody wants to become a YouTuber. If you can't, a little bit of this character, it's going to be hard on you. You have to have this character. You have no shame. Even if you tell you, this one cannot see your secrets. You have to go. You have to chase your dream regardless. But you know, was here 7 months ago. Helping me to fix this house. As a listener. Come on, yes. 7 months ago. Now he's building this villa like from scratch.
This one your house is small.
Nice.
I'll give you some.
tomorrow we remember for Sehemu. Make sure my wife will come to cook for you. You might remember for Sehemu. Yes. Gift is not vegetable. You push someone hard, he send you something like this. You know well. This is maybe in the method. You struggle from morning to evening to get this. But me for free here, imagine. Mara, God bless you. Bro, thank you so much. God give bless you so much. God just fill in your pocket like too much. Because we don't know concept, bro. Thank you so much. We are here in CB and here in law. You can fill out nose. You can shower with milk. Hey, my boss is not to tell me.
We're connected to very good internet. And now we are back.
You know, I was telling you, this internet is good. You remember before people is not allowed like it's going. Few video 20 minutes, but you know now people like a 200 use every. You hear you are live, but a lot of people here is online through Wi-Fi. So it can make confused. So guys, me, I have a YouTube channel also. Please support me, and I thank God and I thank so much to Mama before here. You do something miracle in my channel, guys. You change number from something to Redeemer now 30,000 subscribers. Wow. I feel good and I feel so good every single day. I appreciate Timara. God keep bless always, guys. This is a support. It's not easy. It's not easy to see your support like this. Wow. Through Timara. Imagine.
Thank you. This is Mayugno, guys.
Yes.
Mayugno is one of my. Somebody says the. Okay. Mayugno is one of my firstborn.
Yes.
Firstborn.
I don't.
Yes.